Welcome to Unique Channel today. We're diving into budgeting, a simple yet powerful tool that helps you take control of your finances. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking for ways to improve, this step-by-step guide will show you how to create a budget that works for you. Let's get started. Budgeting is more than just tracking expenses. It's about taking charge of your money and making it work for you. A good budget helps you manage your spending, save for your goals, and avoid debt. No matter your income, budgeting can help you achieve financial stability. Step 1 in creating a budget is to know your numbers. Start by listing all your sources of income, your salary, side hustle, or any other earnings. Next, track your expenses. Write down everything you spend on, from bills and groceries to entertainment and small purchases. This will give you a clear picture of where your money goes. Now that you have your numbers, it's time to choose a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle. Let's go over 3 popular methods. The 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. It's simple and easy to follow. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a purpose. At the end of the month, your income minus your expenses should equal zero. This method is great if you want detailed control of your spending. The envelope system. Allocate cash for specific categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. When the envelope is empty, that's it for the month. It's perfect for controlling discretionary spending. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about achieving your financial dreams. Set clear financial goals to keep you motivated, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building an emergency fund. Align your budget with your goals and watch your progress grow. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and so should your budget. Review your budget monthly and adjust as needed. If you overspend in one category, balance it out by cutting back in another. The key is flexibility. Don't be afraid to tweak your budget until it truly works for you. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. By tracking your income and expenses, choosing the right method, setting goals, and adjusting as needed, you can build a budget that fits your life. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a one-time task. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's take control of our finances together.